Hello everyone, welcome to Suma School English channel. Today's topic is negative numbers. This chapter is important for all competitive exams, school exams. By the end of this class, you will learn what negative numbers are, how to compare them, how to arrange them, how to solve temperature questions. First of all, what are negative numbers? Let's see. This is number line. Children, look carefully. This point is a 0. Numbers on the right side are positive numbers. Numbers on the left side are negative numbers. Numbers on the right side are positive numbers. Numbers on the left side are negative numbers. We write them with the minus sign. Okay? Negative numbers, minus sign. Tell me, where we use negative numbers in our daily life? We use negative numbers while measuring temperature. Mountain areas sometimes have temperature below zero. We also use negative numbers to represent loss, depth and basement floors. See this number line. As we move towards the left, numbers become smaller. Okay. As we move towards the right, numbers become bigger. For example, you see this example, which is greater, -2 or -5? See on this number line, where is -2? Here -2, here -5. As we move to become towards the left, numbers become smaller. So, -2 here, we move the left, okay? So, -5 here. So, -2 is bigger, -5 is bigger, -2 is bigger, -5 is smaller. In negative numbers, nearer to 0 is big number. So, -2 is nearer to 0 than -5. -2 is nearer to 0 than -5. So, -2 is the bigger. See another example. See another example. Which is smaller? -9 or -4. So, what is the rule here? Nearer to 0, greater. So, nearer to 0 means 0. Nearer to 0 what? -4, -5, -6. Here -10. So, -4 is nearer. -9 is nearer. So, -4 is nearer. So, -4 is greater. -9 is smaller. Further from 0 on the negative side is smaller. So, here -9 is smaller. Okay. -9 is answer. These are the basic rules on negative numbers. So, we see some problems here. See this question. -4, -3, -2, 3 blanks and 2. Observe the pattern. -4 to -3. What happened here? Increases by 1. Next -3 to -2 increases by 1. So continue. So draw a number line here. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So say 7 lines. Observe the pattern carefully. Here -4 increases by 1. Then -3 increases by 1. Then -2 increases by 1, then -1 increases by 1, 0 and then increases by 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Increases by 1 plus 1 here, -4 plus 1, -3 and here plus 1, -3 plus 1, -2 and here plus 1, -2 plus 1, -1. Here plus 1, -1 plus 1, then 0. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 means 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. So, difference all are plus 1. First see the problem. Understand the pattern. So, difference between all numbers are the same. So, plus 1. Okay. So, answer is -1, 0, plus 1. Okay. Next, question number 2. Observe this pattern 6, 4, 2, 0, blank, blank, blank. So what is the difference between these two numbers? Observe here 6, 4. So what is the difference here? Minus 2. Okay. 4, 2. What is the difference here? Here also minus 2. Okay. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Here also minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, minus 2. So, 0 minus 2. We draw the number line. So, right side positive numbers. So, 0, 2, 4, 6 and left side negative numbers. Here problem is like this only. 0, 2, 4, 6. So, after this 0, difference is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Here also minus 2. Again minus 2. Minus 2, minus 2. What the number here? Minus 4. And minus 4, minus 2. Here minus 6. So answer is here minus 2, minus 4 and minus 6. Okay. 0 minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Plus of minus 2 means, see, minus 2, plus into minus, minus, and again minus 2, minus, minus, minus 4. Okay, next, minus 6. So, minus 4, minus 6. So, sequence 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Here we subtract 2 every time. Subtract 2 every time. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4, minus 2, minus 6. Okay. Next problem. Minus 12, minus 9, minus 6, minus 3. 3 blanks. Here see the difference first. What is minus 12, minus 9, 3, minus 9, minus 6, 3, minus 6, minus 3, 3 difference. Next, minus 3 plus 3 difference. Minus 3 plus 3 means here 0 and 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So, answer is 0, 3, 6. Before filling the boxes, always identify the common difference. Next model, arrange numbers. Arrange these numbers on proper way. Imagine all these numbers on a number line. So, draw a number line. Positive numbers are right side and negative numbers are left side. I am writing here 0. First we write 0 after positive numbers. I am writing here 0 after here 1. Next 3. After that 8. Okay. These are positive numbers. Now right side, left side, negative numbers. 0 left side, negative numbers. So minus 2 is bigger. Then minus 5. Then minus 6. So what is the order? Minus 6, minus 5, minus 2, here not here 0, 1, 3, 8. This is the sequence. The leftmost number comes first. So, minus 6, minus 5, minus 2, then 1, 3, 8. This is the answer. See, another question. 5 degrees more than minus 2 degrees. More than. So, you do simply addition here. You see the more than word in question. Simply you do addition. So, minus 2 plus 5. So, minus 2 plus 5 means 3 degrees is the answer. See another question. 10 degrees less than 6 degrees means less than. You do simply subtraction here. Okay. that is equal to 4 degrees centigrade. So more than word you do addition, less than word you do subtraction. If this lesson helped you, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Suma School English channel. Thank you.